My name is Ethan Goldberg, and I'm in ACG 2021, and this is my Tableau presentation on the global company CAT Manufacturing. So this presentation entails the financial intricacies of the company in the respective years 2019, 2020, and 2021. And as I said, they're a global company, so they have a hand in a lot of divisions of the world, so there's a lot of data to be looked at. So with that being said, let's get started. So first slide, revenue by year. Pretty simple slide. We're just looking at the revenue in each respective year. As we can see, it's climbing, so that's a good thing for the company. Total sales by quarter and year is our next slide. And this is basically just breaking down the previous slide just into quarters. So it's a simpler thing to look at for the company. And they can see what areas need help and what areas are improving. Next, revenue by category. We're seeing what category of products are being sold. So it's kind of just classifying them, and we can see the revenue that comes with it. Sales by product line, also related to said category, and it can be manipulated by division and year, as we can see later in the dashboard. Next, top customers and sales. We can see which customers are leading in sales for each division, or in this case, all the world, but I can look at, let's say, just Germany. We can see that Alabama Industries is their top customer in sale. So that's pretty cool. Next, we have sales by division. We're just looking at each year and which division of the world is leading in said sales. Next, sales by division map. Exactly what we saw beforehand, just visualized on a map. So that's fun to interact with. And finally, our beautiful dashboard. This is all the information I presented so far, just on one giant slide, and it's going to help us answer our questions. So first question, what were total sales revenue for the third quarter of 2020? I hit 2020, and then right here, total sales revenue, 9.142 million. Pretty simple. Next up, what were the total sales revenues for the medical category in the second quarter of 2021? So hit 2021, select medical filter. As we can see, 2.246 million is total sales revenue for that. Boom, boom. Next, which product line had the highest sales in 2019 under the materials processing category? So we hit 2019, we hit materials processing to filter it. Now we go to the product line, Pulse YT. That is our answer. Next up, deselect, deselect. All right, what is the top product line for Germany division in 2019? So all we gotta do, nope, not that. We hit 2019, right on. Then we look at Germany. We can see that right over here, low YT is our top product line. So we'll go back, deselect Germany, deselect 2019. In 2020, which quarter had the highest sales in the telecom category under the UK division? What was the dollar amount? So we go to 2020, we go to telecom, and we go all the way down to the United Kingdom. And then it's saying which quarter had the highest sales. So we go back up here. Quarter 3 clearly had the highest sales, and that is 125,634. So deselect 2020, deselect telecom, and then we deselect United Kingdom. Next, who is CAT Manufacturing's top customer in the fourth quarter of 2020? So all we got to do, hit 2020, hit quarter 4, and slide all the way down over here. As we can see, the Boise company was the top customer for that year and quarter. So deselect, and we deselect. Next, who's the top customer for the Russian division in 2021? So go down to 2021, go down and hit on Russia. And then, as we can see, the Sacramento Inc. is the leading company for that. So, final question, if you were on the top management team of CAT Manufacturing, what overall strategy questions could this dashboard help you address? I just feel like this helps address which company is leading in product sales and which category is being sold the best. So like for here, we can just look at this Russian example. Materials processing is clearly at the highest, and maybe the smallest right here is the government R&D, etc. That needs some work. So it's something that I think the company can use as a reinforcer on what needs to be improved, and we can just look at the numbers for how they are. So that's my presentation. Thank you for watching, and yeah.